push the door open. So we'll see here. Yeah. So he's having fun. The snow is so high and it's keep coming. It's still coming. The snow is still coming. The snow is still here. Oh my gosh, the snow is still here. And he is so happy. Look at that happy boy. Look at that happy boy. Get one whiff of the white stuff and he's just all zoom zooms. Ah. But here is your 4 o'clock / 5 o'clock, we'll just say 5 o'clock update. It is still snowing, still very, very cold, and lots of inches. Lots. It's as tall as you, Jake. Oh no. Poor thing. Oh, poor guy. Poor mama. Oh. Hey guys. So just a quick update here. I don't know if you guys can tell. There is a hole and I made him a path over there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Using a baking sheet and luckily someone brought me a shovel, so I was able to dig him out some spaces to pee and poop so he didn't have to climb over everything. So in case you guys were wondering, I wasn't being cruel, but I ended up having to use a baking sheet to shovel out looks like 4 feet of snow. um but yeah, looks like we are finally starting to melt now. The sun's out. I hear some melting.